Staying on top of all your tasks can be a real pain at times. Luckily, Microsoft Planner has a ton of different views to organize your projects with as much or as little detail as you'd like. You can view a plain list of upcoming tasks with the grid view, or if you want to sort tasks into different buckets, you can do that too with the board view. Planner will even create graphs and charts to help you visualize whether everything's on track. And then there's the schedule view that'll show all the upcoming tasks and where they fall on your calendar. In both the chart and the schedule views, task statuses will be filtered by color, where green tasks are completed, blue are in progress, and gray haven't been started yet. On top of those view options, you can even apply filters so that you can find tasks with a specific due date, priority level, who they're assigned to, and more. So for example, if I wanted to filter tasks by only those assigned to me, I'd click on Filter, and then under the Assignment tab, I'd click on My Name. This makes all the other tasks in the plan except for the ones assigned to me disappear. Now I can click on the task and read any notes or subtasks associated with it. If you're using the board, chart, or schedule views, you have the added option of grouping your tasks based on what bucket they belong to, who they're assigned to, their progress status, and more. So I can group tasks by their progress status and then filter them down further by telling Planner to show me the tasks that have been assigned to, say, Aiden only. You're probably starting to see how detailed and granular these filtering options can get, so I'd encourage you to play around with Planner and see how it suits your needs best. If you got any value out of this video, show your support by subscribing to our channel. And if you have any questions regarding Planner or any of the other tools that come with your Microsoft 365 subscription, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be happy to help.